Hey everyone, so today I am going to show you how to do a related content, related post section in your post page. So, you know, how blogs serve related content at the end of every post. So that's what we're going to do with Elementor Pro. So first you need to go to templates, and if you haven't already, you need to create a single post template. So let's trash this one and I'll redo it from the beginning. So single post, let's do that, create template. So it's gonna take you to this screen. If you've done it already, then whatever. But if you haven't, you pick a template, a post template. So I'll pick this one because I think this one doesn't have a related post built into it. So random content is going lorem ipsum contents generated for me already. So what this is basically a plugin I use to generate random content. So that's what you're seeing right now. Anyway, so first you are going to go to global settings or elements. So you're going to put in posts, and then you're going to put it wherever you want. So I probably want it right here below the author, and then you are going to select your settings. So I want thumbnails, I want 2 columns, and let's do masonry off or on. Let's do 4 instead of 6. Classic cards, let's do classic. Then how long the excerpt should be, what the title tag should be. Let's do 6, okay? What you want to show? Do you want to show the date? Do you want to show the comment? If I don't want comments, I deselect it. If I don't want date, I deselect it. And then if I want author, I can put there. So, open new window or not. So then now here's the part where it's important. You go query, and then from source you go to related, and then you're going to include by term or author. What term means is you're going to include by categories or tags. I prefer tags if I'm using Elementor related posts. So tags, okay? And then after that, you are going to, this is fallback, so if they don't have any they don't have any related posts, then what are they going to serve? You could do manual selection and then search for post manually to display, or you go recent posts. All right? I'm going to go recent posts as my fallback. And by date, so what do you want to display? I just want to display both posts from last year, or all, order by, descending or ascending. After that, you press publish and add the condition. So yeah, all singular is fine by me. So, oops, and then save and close. Okay. So after that, it should be displayed. There you go. That's the related post right here. So Elementor Pro's related posts function. It's native to the plugin. It's native to Elementor. So theoretically, it's faster than having your own related post plugin. But the drawback is I don't think it's as powerful as some of the other related post plugins. So really, it's it's really dependent on what you want to do. Me, I like to have as little different plugins on a site as possible. I don't want the site bloated with different plugins, so I'm fine with using Elementor Pro's related posts function. But if you want something more powerful, then you're welcome to use another plugin. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. Okay, all right.